Welcome to your market update. The Nigerian equities market opened the trading week on a positive footing, extending its bullish momentum as buying interest resurged. The NGX all-share index advanced by 0.33%, adding over 514 billion naira to total investor wealth. Trading was characterized by a healthy mix of bargain hunting and selective accumulation across banking, oil and gas, industrial and consumer goods. Key stocks attracted significant buying pressure. TIP appreciated by 9.91%, while Owando gained 7.92% on oil sector demand. Other notable gainers included First Holdco up 2.58%, MTNN gaining 1.94%, and Zenith Bank adding 0.39%. Market participation improved significantly, with total turnover jumping over 22% to 746 million shares, valued at 58 billion naira. FCMB emerged as the most actively traded stock by volume, with over 157 million shares changing hands to claim 21% of total market activity. In terms of value, Dangote Cement completely dominated market transactions, accounting for over 29 billion naira, representing more than half of the day's entire traded value. Domestic equities were supported by elevated global energy prices. Brent crude traded around $94.52 per barrel amid geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Technically, the market remains firmly within a bullish trend. Market breadth finished in positive territory with 32 gainers against 30 losers. International Energy Insurance led the gainers with a 10% surge, while Fidson topped the losers table, shedding a maximum 10%. Position your wealth for the ultimate market reset. Join our Q3 masterclass on June 27th via Zoom. Text yes to 08028164085 now. For more NGX market update, technical analysis, and daily sentiment reports, follow us on our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, like, comment, and share so that you don't miss out.